is for albatross, flying so far. B is for bald eagle, soaring like a star. C is for canary, singing so sweet. D is for duck, swimming at your feet. E is for eagle, with wings spread wide, king of the sky with so much pride. A, B, C with the birds up high, flapping their wings and flying by. From the treetops to the blue sky, come along and sing with a happy sigh. F is for flamingo, standing so tall. G is for goose, honking as it calls. H is for hummingbird, flitting so fast. I is for ibis, flying past. J is for jaybird, with feathers so bright, singing all day and into the night. Up in the sky the birds take flight, flapping their wings in the morning light. From the treetops to the clouds so high, come join the fun as the birds fly by. Now let's soar into the adventure. K is for kingfisher, diving so deep. L is for lark, singing in the heat. M is for macaw, with feathers so bright. N is for nightingale, singing at night. O is for owl, with big eyes so wise, watching the night under starry skies. A, B, C with the birds up high, flapping their wings and flying by. From the treetops to the blue sky, come along and sing with a happy sigh. P is for parrot, talking all day. Q is for quail, running on its way. R is for robin, singing in the spring. S is for swallow, flying on the wing. T is for toucan, with a big beak. In the jungle it's loud, not meek. U is for uptick, a bird on the move. V is for vulture, soaring in a groove. W is for woodpecker, tapping the trees. X is for xanthus, hummingbird, flying with ease. Y is for yellow warbler, so bright. Z is for zebra dove, a peaceful sigh.